Oh my god. Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Fancy.
Welcome back to my channel. We're on our way right now to Corgi Beach Day in Huntington Beach. It says it'll take like 40 minutes to get there. I'm a little sick, which is why I'm wearing this hoodie. This isn't my actual outfit. I'm wearing a dress. I don't know if you can see that. Why are you trying to fix your hair for?
You.
Sure.
You notice like I shave my beard again? I trim my beard again?
Yes, I did. It looks nice.
I'll just on camera.
I cut your ass on camera.
I'm doing what?
Trying to get that girl's number.
Trying to have you notice me for once? Truth, guys. This is the truth. There she is.
You pick up, babe. You really pick up, huh?
You know, when you're sitting next to me in the passenger, put a magnet sticker right here and put my number right here. Text me. I'm single.
I'm single. Your girlfriend's sitting right here. You're so annoying. Oh my god.
You smell?
I don't smell. Got Carl's Jr. for breakfast because I'm hungry. And I don't want to get grumpy. But look at how many freaking corgis are here. Oh my god, I can't. We just made it. We're just looking for parking. I could turn off the GPS already, right? We've already seen so many dogs and we haven't even got down yet. But there's a lot of dogs here that are like just regular dogs on the beach. And a lot of surfers too. I'm sad. I kind of wish it was a little warmer. It's kind of really cold. Finally got here. Oh my god, look at this puppy. She's so little.
He's only 5.
Oh really? Oh.
Look how small her paws are.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if you heard them, but the little one, the one that's on the like skinny one, the little one in the purple harness and the purple leash, was 7 months, and then the owners were saying that it's like the smallest puppy here. But then we ran into another corgi and we thought the corgi was older, but the corgi was actually younger than the smaller one, but it was like massive. It was really big, but it was cute. If Gabe and I ever get a corgi, that's how it's gonna look like. Actually not if we ever, when we get a corgi. You have anything to say?
Nope.
We ran into another puppy. Hi. Hi. We are here at Corgi Beach Day. Look at all the dogs, and we're not even at the beach yet. But look at them. Cross the street, cross the street. Are we gonna get hit? Oh god, look at. There's a really fat one. Oh, look at the black one. Oh my god, the puppy! Guys, look. Oh my god. And behind us too. Hi, puppy. So cute. Guys, look at how many dogs there are here. Oh my god. We have a pit bull? Look at that corgi. Babe, I don't think I'm ready for this. There are so many corgis right now. Do you guys see all of the corgis? And that's not even all of them because we're kind of early. Oh my god, I'm in heaven right now. I don't even care if it's cold. There's so many dogs. Look, there's so many guys. Hi! Hi! Eye color. Oh my god, so cute. And we have another daisy one. And another daisy one in the back. All the way in the back over there. Oh my god, another daisy one. Oh. Hi! Hi, Pop! Oh. Ah, he's funny. Hi! Is that the Bernese? No. Australia. Hi!
All right, looks like we got a young.
Hi. Hi. cute. She's so cute.
I did find a chair. Did you?
Hi.
For a second.
You guys at 11.
Yeah. Look, he doesn't want to leave. Babe, look, he doesn't want to leave. Hi. Hi, pups. Oh my gosh. You're so big. I know, this one is really cute. Oh, they're matching. They're so cute. Bye, pups.
Okay, girls, let's go.
Oh my god, babe, look at this one with the yellow goggles. He's so cute. Oh my god. Look at his goggles. That is so funny. Oh, look at that one. Woo. He runs fast.
Oh my god.
And it's happening. I'm proud to present the Corgi Invitational Horse Races at Santa Anita Racetrack. Memorial Day weekend.
We need to go,
It'll be a
babe.
fun day of horse racing and corgi racing. There'll be a carnival, lots of vendors.
So they're gonna
That they're not easily accepted into other rescues or not adoptable at the shelters. A situation similar to Panda. And now we don't know whether or not he can.
see the one that's getting carried in the backpack. I want one for Oreo. We should get one. But she'd get mad if I carry her like, oh my god. Hi. So clumsy. Do you see how clumsy it is? What's his name?
Sal.
Hi, Sal.
Hi.
Oh, he's so cute. It's okay. There's a puppy, but we still like you. You're so cute. Sal, I like your shirt. Bye, Sal. Hi. Hi. Puppy. Hi. Hi. No, don't leave us. Oh. Hi, what's your name?
Biscuit.
Biscuit?
Yeah.
Biscuit, come here. Biscuit, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you saw your friend. Babe, that dog just came up to us. Oh, ooh, it's getting in a fight.
No.
Ooh, Biscuit.
Look at the hot dog.
Guys, I'm literally on the verge of crashing. I didn't get any sleep last night. I was just tossing and turning. Every time I would fall asleep, like my eyes would close and I would actually fall asleep for a little bit, I would have like the dry cough and I would just start coughing and I couldn't breathe. And Gabe couldn't sleep as well last night.
I'll sign it.
So we're just here sitting on a patch of grass, resting so that we don't have to leave. I was gonna bring our picnic blanket because we have a picnic blanket, but I forgot it and I feel really dumb because that would have been very useful right now. But yeah, it's fun so far. I'm just really tired. Well, we're just really tired.
We're still here.
We're walking back to the car already. We're calling it a day. I'm exhausted. Gabe's exhausted. And we're just too tired.
Get 9.
Okay, we left the house like at 9. We got here like right at 10 basically.
No, it was before 10.
Okay, before 10. Thank you for correcting me. Okay, we got here before 10. And now you said it's 12:10, right? 2 hours here. It may not seem long, but we did a lot. As long as we saw a lot of puppies, I don't care. I don't know what we're gonna do after. But I'll let you guys know when we do whatever we do next. Yeah, we're gonna nap, but I don't know. We're gonna nap right now? Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hi again, guys. So I just woke up, or we just woke up from like a 2-hour nap. Now we're gonna go get some food. If you're asking why I look bummy, literally my hair is in a bun. I'm wearing a big like sweatshirt, stretchy leggings, and just Vans. It's because we're gonna be going to Korean barbecue. And this is usually my outfit that I wear for Korean barbecue. I don't dress up or anything because I know things and like the steam and things are gonna be splashing all over the place because of the fire, and I don't want to smell like Korean barbecue after, so that's why my hair is up. So hopefully it keeps like the shampoo smell in, and later when I take it out it won't be as bad. How sick I am, guys. I brought a baggie to Corgi Beach Day earlier. I forgot to show you guys. We have 1 extra strength Tylenol in there, 3 packs of Dayquil, which I haven't even took one yet, and
Can't get one? So I can get milk from beer and Dayquil.
no, I should have taken one. I'll take it after we eat. And I have Ricola, and I have Zicam.
Hey, did the guy next?
I'm so hungry. It's taking a while for them to feed us because Gabe put that we wanted to food.
You just want to go?
Yes, I do want to food, but I'm just saying it's taking a while. But whatever, we're about to get seated, I think, because this couple's leaving. I'm so hungry.
Gabriel.
Man, I got excited. Are you excited to eat? I'm ready.
A little bit. Actually, yeah, I'm very excited. My brothers came like 2, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I said I go try some more. I was craving that shit back ever since I've been camp, so
It's gonna be
I'm about to chill right now. I'm fucking buzzing right now. I get the whole 3-pack right now. Got the light. I'm on a good level.
You're on a good level.
Right now.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to set up at Korean barbecue. Okay, Gabe's putting the chili paste, and then you grab salt and pepper if it's not already there. Okay, so you put that, and I know it looks like a lot, and it is a lot, but you're at Korean barbecue, so it doesn't matter. And then you put the oil, the sesame oil, which is bomb, and you just put a lot. And then you have your sides, you have bean sprouts, macaroni salad, sweet potato, I think, rice paper, cucumbers, and radish. Brisket, bulgogi, and you have to get garlic and jalapeno. How's the food, babe? Good? Oh my god, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera away now. I wanna eat. This is what it looks like when you finish eating at Korean barbecue. Shout out to the Korean barbecue places that still give free ice cream. I can't eat mine today because your girl has a sore throat, so I'm gonna give it to Gabe. Got finished eating. Oh my god. Are you full?
A little bit.
I'm so fucking full. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm full, guys. Woo. It was really good though. We're stuck in traffic. How long have we been here?
2 minutes.
Feels like forever. I love